Hello everyone, I'm back. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. It's May the 23rd, 2025, and I'm still in Guizhou Province, China. It's drizzling right now, and I'm going to take you to see a slum here. This slum is very famous locally. Nearly every man in the area knows of it. I think you know what I mean. Men know this place, but women don't. This slum is just like a traditional Chinese slum, with all sorts of roads crisscrossing inside. If you don't live there, you probably get lost pretty easily, but I actually feel really safe here. I've been here tons of times and I've never seen any drug users or any violent crime. Right up ahead is a primary school, and a lot of kids study there. Most of them live in this slum, too. Alright, we're making a right turn now, and this is where we truly get into the heart of the slum. You'll see the distinct sights of this area as soon as we go around the corner. I think you know what I mean. You must be seeing the women waiting by the road in the distance, waiting for customers. I don't know about other countries, if this happens next to schools, but as you can see, it's happening in China. Maybe it's because this is a slum, that's why it happens here, and in the wealthy neighborhoods, you don't see these women at all. She whispered to me, "Wanna play?" Two women are in the distance, but my plan is to go right first. She smiled and said, "Wanna play?" She was behind me, calling me to come back, and every woman here will ask if you're interested in playing. several young women here, and that guy over there, I think he's probably their boss, or maybe part of a gang that operates here. I'm not really sure, but it's not like other places, where you see a gang member near every woman. Here, you don't see men standing or squatting near the women, and that makes me feel a bit safer. If there were gang members guarding these women, I'd feel really uneasy.
无所谓。
没有，做快餐的。
I asked her how much it was, and she said 100 yuan. Then I asked if there were any services, and she said no. Do you guys think this woman is the same as those women? We'll find out in a bit. I think you've seen every woman you come across here. It's highly probable she's one of them. I can't even tell you how many women there are, but I just don't imagine a regular woman would choose to live in a place like this. Alright, that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Thank you.